Uh-oh. Just Stafford. That's weird.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Stafford County in northern Virginia until 7:45 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stafford, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
A severe thunderstorm located near Stafford is for Stafford County. Seems legit.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Potomac Creek, Aquia Creek, Falmouth, Leland, Widewater, Roseville, Garrisonville, Arkandale, Spring Valley, Brook, Rameth, and Aquia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.